It's Squishmallows Andre. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new McDonald's toys. And this is the first vlog I have done for over 3 months. So today we're going to speak Tagalog, and let's be mature please. Because I'm going to be graduating in only 9 days. Are the new McDonald's toys, Squishmallows. So history first, trivia. Of course we have to have one of these. So this toy line started in 2017, and they are like Walgreens exclusive, which is like a store in America. And they are like 16 inches, there's 2 inches ones, there's 8 inches. I think I've seen some of these in the like Toys R Us or Toy Kingdom. But of course I didn't focus on them because I thought they were just for like infants. So let's get started. So let's start speaking Tagalog. So meron din silang QR code. Ayan. Scan nyo din yan sa McDo app. Baka merong laro o baka kakante. Kala nga namin kakante. So, surprise. Ay, kanabaw. Okay. Let's open this. Or let's buksan this. Ay isang fox o sa Tagalog globo. Hindi yung balon ha. Hindi yung balon. Kasi baka yung mga sabihin nila, ano yan, balon? Hindi, yung fox. Lahat to merong backstory eh. Parang siya yung ano yate. Tignan natin kung naalala ko lahat. So, mahilig siya sa mag-adventure, kaya lagi siyang excited mag-adventure. Ganun. It's a, ito si, paano ito si, okay guys, we're back. So, nasan yung si Cam?
Ito.
So, cat. Cute niya. We do not like cats at all. Of course, that's just us. Guys, pwede itong, hindi guys itong pwede i-laundry. Hindi niya pwede itong i-laundry yan. Hindi niya pwedeng gawing lalabhan ha. Ay, dito sa taas na taas. Yan, wala na tumba. Sino kaya to? It is si Hans. Wala yung code dito. Ano ba yan? Si Hans. Siya ay hedgehog. Sonic the Hedgehog. Sheesh. Okay, so siya ay isang hedgehog. Pwede niyo ito itry eh. Pwede niyo itry yung code para hanapin yung code. Alright. Meron pa na doon. Ito ay si Archie. Ang animal na medyo mahirap sabihin. Kaya sabihin ko na lang salamander. Pero kasi totoo eh. Ay naka, mali yata to. Tell me if you're wrong guys. Ito. Axolotl. Tama, para siyang salamander. Tatawagin ko na lang siyang salamander. Para siyang si Jigglypuff. Kaya niya sa Pokemon, si Jigglypuff. Kulay pink yun eh. Next. We have favorite ko, si Kevin. Koala Bear. Sa Australia, uso to eh. Kasi purple yung niya, nose. Tsaka yung eyes niya, may shades. Si Kevin naman, favorite ko siya kasi parang parehas kami, matakaw. Ang favorite niyang kainin ay pang breakfast. Cereals, tsaka waffles. Siyang. Okay, next. Okay, si Maui. Hindi yung sa Moana. Parang sa Moana yun na. Si Maui. Siguro kapag may gumawa silang sunod, siguro alam ko rin gagawin nilang pagkain. Saging yan. O apple. Meron din siyang totoong stem. Parang yung stem niya. Parang yun yung mga daliri niya. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb, ring, middle, pointing. Ayun eh. Pinky pala to. Sabi ko thumb. Sorry guys. We still have 4. So, halfway there. Hindi naman. Half more than nga eh. We have, ang kwento niya pala, may tie-dye cheetah. Kasi tawag niya sa Wikipedia, tie-dye cheetah. Hindi lang cheetah, tie-dye cheetah. Sheesh. Ang kwento naman niya, siya yung pinaka-huggable. Kung kailangan ng hug, siya yung tatawagin mo. Cheetah. Kung tatawagin mo, uy, Michaela, paakap naman dito. 8. Number 8. It is, si Gordon. Si Michael Jordan. Ay, iba pala yun. Michael Jordan pala yun. So, si Gordon, siya ay pating. Shark. Alam niyo ba, kinakain pala yung shark. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun eh. Kinakain pala yung pating. Kinakain mo din pala yung lamb. Grabe, kinakain mo din pala yung kabayo, tsaka yung palaka, kinakain mo. Grabe, dami ko nalaman. Diba, takot kayo sa mga sharks kasi kaano nyo, kakainin kayo, parang si Diyos. Pero, sa totoo, sobrang sweet niya. Gusto na nga yung sobrang helpful siya. Para siyang superhero. Si Super Shark. O si Bat Shark. Okay, number Sham. Number Sham. Si B. Alam ko si B to kasi kulay yellow eh. O, di ba? Si B to, pangalan niya si Sunny. Parang maaraw yung pangalan niya. Sunny. It's so sunny outside. Okay. Parang siyang natural na bee. Hindi siya parang Jollibee, parang cartoony na bee. Hindi siya. Parang siyang natural na bee. Totoong bee. Ganito yung bee na makikita mo tapos isisting ka sa kamay. Sakit nun. Hindi natin kung tama yung aking kuhula. And of course, tama ito. Si Wendy. Palaka. Common sa amin kasing palaka, kulay brown or gray. Kasi madumi eh. Sa mga, pero bihirang-bihira sa amin yung kulay green. Ayan, sa fact naman niya ay bago yon QR code. Fact niya, yung isa ay, scientist siya. Scientist. A scientist frog. Naku, nakakatakot yun. Parang kung scientist ka, tapos bababa ka sa lab mo, pupunta ka, tapos yung nakikita mo, yung palaka, gumagawa ng beaker. Uy, grabe, matatrauma ka ng sobra. If you want to get all of them, just go to your McDonald's. The price is still the same. There's nothing different. So I give this one a A tier. Or 1 to 10, a 8 out of 10. The only problem I have is these codes. This stick is perfectly perfect. The problem is just why they included these. Shout out to Ate. Thank you for taking your time to help me do this vlog. And my parents, thank you for buying all these toys. Even though parang napupurga na tayo sa McDo. And thank you to Lolo and Lola. Love you guys. Thank you for buying Archie and Wendy. And wish me luck, guys, all of my subscribers for my graduation and recognition on July 7 and July 10. Or July 10 and 7 respectively. So, please congratulate me in the comments and do your wish you luck. And I'm going to be I'm going to have a speech on my recognition on July 7. So please give me guys suggestions in the comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Where the QR codes will just cause you inappropriate languages and 5-year-olds will not able to comprehend even a 74-year-old. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye guys!